Yeah, let's make chocolate hot drink. Put the chocolate into a cup. And we use almost 200 ml milk. And we put inside, then we put the cup into the microwave around 2 or 3 minutes. Then we stir it and it's finished. So quick.